In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a percentage column in an Excel pivot table. To follow along, make sure you already have a pivot table set up from your data. It could be sales by region, counts by category, or any summary you've created. Once your pivot table is on the screen, click anywhere inside it. This is important because it tells Excel to show the pivot table specific tools in the ribbon at the top. Now look toward the area that's highlighted in the video. This is where your field list and layout options appear. When you click there, you'll see the different fields from your original dataset, such as dates, products, regions, or amounts. The pivot table uses these fields in four main areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. The percentage column we're going to add will live in the values area because it's a calculation based on your existing numbers. Click on the highlighted part of the values area, where your main numeric field is already placed. This might be something like sum of sales or count of orders. When you click that, a small menu appears. From here, choose the option that opens the value field settings. This is where you can change how Excel summarizes the data and how it displays the result. Inside the value field settings, find the section that lets you show values as something other than the raw number. Depending on your version of Excel, this is usually a tab or drop-down labeled Show Values As. Click on that and you'll see several choices, such as percent of grand total, percent of column total, or percent of row total. Pick the option that matches what you want to analyze. For example, if you want each row to show what percentage it contributes to the overall total, choose percent of grand total. If you're comparing within each column or row, choose the respective total. After selecting it, you can also rename the field to something clearer, like percent of total sales, so it's easy to read in your pivot table. Click OK, and Excel will instantly add or update the column to show percentages instead of raw values. If you want both the original numbers and the percentages, you can add the same field to the values area twice, then set one as a normal sum and the other as a percentage. This gives you a clear side-by-side comparison and makes your pivot table much more informative at a glance.